guys, it's asset effect right here. So as you can see, I've managed to get a discount on this account, and this is the 10k account which I'll be using for our getting funded series. So hopefully on Monday we'll start trading on this account. And I got the account Sunday, logged in, then started trading on Monday. I think that Monday should be on 10, and this is it here. For unfortunate reason, the first trade was a loss. Was a loss. But let me take you guys through how the week went. So before I get into that, please guys, if you are watching this video or you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do it to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. I'm a young Forex trader documenting his journey to profitability here on YouTube. So guys, you guys should stick with me through this journey. So here is the first trade I took. As you guys know, I've been sticking to Euro USD for some time now. So this is the first trade I took. That's on 10th February, and this trade was a loss. Obviously, it was a loss. It took about 1 hour 26 minutes. It turned out to be a loss. Reason for exit is stop loss. The P&L for the day was minus $48. Supposed to be 50, but that's just what's there, minus $48. Because sometimes when I try to set the stop loss exactly at 50, when price take me out, it adds some cents or some dollar or cents. That's why I usually set it below, so that in case any whatever market condition, it will at least not pass that 50% mark. And for those that would be wondering, I made a video on how I lost the 10k account which I'm supposed to use for this getting funded series. Check my previous video and you're going to see it. So this was the trade that made me lose that account, but that is not what we are here for today. I started trading the new account from 10th, got a stop loss minus $48. Yeah, this one, check wins only. Okay, that was not a win, that is why it's not check. Okay, that was not a win. Then our new balance was $9,940.80. So this was the chart image of chart display. That is the chart image for that trade, and this was the reason of my observation. This was my observation, and this was like this last tick is if I followed my rules. If I followed my rules, then I will get to tick that. If I didn't follow my rule, to just be left on tick. So yeah, before I go through the chart image and the reason, let me just show you guys the MT5 so you guys know, because one of the mission of this my YouTube channel is authenticity and simplicity. So remember I told you that I blew the account I was supposed to use for this getting funded series. So look at when I got a top up, this was the top up. So my account was reset to the initial balance, which was 10k, and this was that first trade which is $48. As you can see on the journal there. Okay, it's not showing, but I'm going to show you guys here. Where is it, bro? Okay, that is it here. So this is it. As you can see, the first one, if you can see it, if you look at this MT5, this is $48. and that's $48. You can see it's same pair, Euro USD. Euro USD. If you can also check the time. So version of this channel is authenticity and simplicity. So I try to be as transparent as possible. So let's go over the chart image and the observation of the day. So this was the chart image. This was the chart image here. This was the chart image. I was anticipating a breakout from this box here. What's that? I don't know if you can see this. Wow, a breakout from that region, got a breakout, and I was anticipating a retest. I got in, but obviously price took me out. So moving on to the observation. What we observe here, I wasn't present when what's that? Yeah, this was what happened. I wasn't present when the entry signal was given, but I tried taking another entry. Why is this stuff covering off now? Come on, get out of the way. Yes. So I wasn't present when the entry signal was given, but I tried to take another entry, got stopped out because price has. So no, I don't think this is. Okay, this is actually it though, because price has already gotten to the 50% area. Bro, let's check the chart image. Is that way? Okay, that's it. Look at, after breaking like the edge of this what should I call it, a range, this Asian range. Now after the break of this Asian range, you can see price was tested YouTube before reversing. So this retesting is made, price go to this 50% area, and anytime price get to 50% area, there's a 50% chance that it's likely to reverse. That's if you bring out your Fibonacci 2 and place it from the high from Asian high to Asian low, you get the 50% area. You get the 50% area. So that is it. That trade was a loss. Then the next trade I took was 12. Then 11. Then that is, I think it's Wednesday. What is it? 12 Wednesday. The trade took about 2 hours, and it was a break even. The P&L was lost $65.60. The trade ended in a break even. It was actually a window. It's a window. As far the P&L was positive. If it had been a negative, the trade would have been a loss. As long as it's a positive. So this is our new balance here. Let's go through the chart image. This is the chart image. The chart image. So got a breakout from Asian high. Got the entry signal that should be my entry. The tip of that week. That should be my entry there. Then as you can see, this 50% area it's displayed here. You can just use a box like a rectangle. Yes, and do it, or you can mark up these lines and use the drawing tool and draw all this stuff. But got a breakout, entered here, then waiting for the retest. This should be it. The second one. Okay, here is the, why is it not emerging? But as you can see there, that's my entry point. I took an entry, price got to this point and reverse. But mind you, this is not the 50% area. I don't know for what reason price just got to that place and reversed. And I think this was a break-even trade. This was obviously a break-even. Why would I let a positive trade run back into loss. Okay, this is the reason. This is what happened. I was very tense because immediately I took an entry, price kept consolidating around my stop loss area. So I was kind of freaked out because immediately I took an entry, price just kept it didn't stop me out or go in my direction, it just kept consolidating around there. Then obviously went to my direction for a while, then aggressively reversed to my stop loss, but I had already set a break even. There, so that's what saved us that day. And I took the yes, I followed my route, that's why I took it there. Then the last trade, which was on Friday, it should be Friday. Yeah, Friday, that's Valentine's Day. So we took a loss actually. The trade lasted for 30 minutes here. So it's a loss, stop loss. Then the actual loss is $102. Like this is the 1% that I'm supposed to risk. This is 1%, but anytime I get, let's just say this is the 1% I'm supposed to risk. On the account, the 10K account, if you calculate it, 1% is $100. But there's a way I kind of split it so I can be able to get 2 entry opportunity while still risking that 1% of the account. So let me show you guys this MT5. You can see this MT5, this trade we took on, this plus $65. You can see it here. Same thing, you can check the date. It's $5 there. So you can see that it's $5 there. So then this one of $100, you can see where is the chart in. Okay, I didn't check it because it was not a win. This is not a win. I didn't check it. The balance is 9,788.80 cents. $9,788.80. This is the chart image. Come on, this video is taking too long. So this is here. Got a breakout right here. You can enter price obviously reverse aggressively. And I know at some point you got to this place and I took another entry. It still stopped me out. I went to my direction for a little while. It stopped me out again. So I think that's all for the work. Here's the reason. Price was slow, although I had taken an entry. Price moved in my favor for some time before aggressively reversing to my stop loss. So that is it here. Did I follow my trading plan? Yes. Rules, that is trading plan. This rules here is trading plan. So did I follow my trading rules? Yes. So I ticked it there. So now coming over to this MT5. Guys, if you are watching up to this extent, please go to like, subscribe, follow me guys through this journey, my journey to profitability. I will really appreciate for you guys to subscribe, share, and also turn on the post notification to get more exciting content like this. So let me show you something, guys. On this account, 1% is $100. So instead of just taking one entry and then risking that $100, I risk half of, like I risk 0.5% to get 2 entries. Instead of just entering with 1% on a trade, I go 0.5. So in case that trade did not turn out well, I can get another entry. Like that, you guys see this trade here. This trade here now is the first one, which was a lot. Then this is the second one. This first entry, I got stopped out at this first entry. Then took a second entry, which now gives me this plus that you're seeing here. Then this is another day, which first entry and second entry didn't favor me. Instead of risking 1% at a go, I risk 0.5 so I can get to entry. So I'm kind of going aggressive and conservative on this account, because currently with these losses that we have got here and this one break even, we are on a minus 2% drawdown. So I'm hoping to go conservative this week so we could get out of the drawdown and maybe even roll into profit too. So that's all for the first series of trying to get 5k above funding. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be keeping you guys updated on every trade I take on this account. It's Asset FX right here. Peace.